Most people assume that the Amex Gold Card is obviously the better choice over the Cobalt Card. After all, its welcome bonus alone can be worth up to $1,800, about 4 times what you get with the Cobalt. But here's the thing, making your decision based just on the welcome bonus is a massive mistake, one that could cost you thousands of dollars over time. So in this video, I'll break down the real differences between these two cards, show you exactly how each card will save you the most money, and help you avoid making a choice you'll regret. Let's dive in. The Cobalt Card comes with a welcome bonus of up to 15,000 membership rewards points in the first year, which you get by earning 1,250 points for each month that you spend $750. The Gold Card, on the other hand, offers a significantly larger welcome bonus of up to 60,000 membership rewards points in the first year, which you get by earning 5,000 points for each of the first 12 months that you spend $1,000 on the card. Now, because membership rewards points are worth about 2 to 3 cents a piece when you use them for travel, that means that the welcome bonus on the Cobalt Card is worth about $300 to $450. And the welcome bonus on the Gold Card is worth $1,200 to $1,800. That's obviously a big difference, but it doesn't automatically mean that the Gold Card is the better choice, because we haven't yet looked at where the Cobalt Card stands out, which is in its earn rates, so let's turn our attention there next. To put it plainly, the Cobalt Card offers the best earn rates of any credit card in Canada. You get 5 points per dollar on food and drink purchases, which includes grocery stores, restaurants, bars, cafes, food delivery, and more. So just imagine you spend $750 a month on food and drinks, which a lot of people do. In that case, you'll earn 5 times the points on that spending, which is 3,750 points. Plus, on top of that, you'll also get the 1,250 point welcome bonus for a total of 5,000 points a month. And since those MR points are worth 2 to 3 cents a piece, that means that you're earning $100 to $150 in rewards every month on your day-to-day food purchases. You also get 3 points per dollar on eligible streaming subscriptions, 2 points per dollar on eligible transit, gas, and travel purchases, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. Now, the Gold Card's earn rates are simpler. You earn 2 times the points on travel, gas, grocery, and drugstore purchases, and 1 times the points on everything else, which means it lags behind the Cobalt Card. But that really says more about the strength of the Cobalt Card than it does about the Gold Card, because it's still one of the best cards in Canada when it comes to earning points. Now, because both the Cobalt Card and the Gold Card earn membership rewards points, their redemption options are pretty much the same, so let's talk about what you can actually do with them. First, you can transfer them to airline and hotel partners like Aeroplan, Avios, and Marriott Bonvoy. This is the best way to maximize the value of your points, and they'll generally be worth around 2 to 3 cents a point in economy class and up to 5 to 10 cents a point in business class, so this is how I generally recommend you use them. But if you prefer, you can also redeem them for travel purchases made through Amex's fixed points travel program. The points value also varies here, depending on where you fly and whether you're flying in economy or business, but you can expect to get 1 to 2 cents a point, which is still pretty good. And then the least interesting way to use your points is as a statement credit, where you'll get 1 cent per point in value. This isn't awful, and it still means that you'll earn 5% back on food and drink purchases with your Cobalt Card, but you can still do a lot better if you're willing to use your points for travel. For starters, the Amex Gold Card offers a $100 annual travel credit, which you can use on any travel booking like flights, hotels, or car rentals made through American Express's travel portal. The Amex Gold also offers a $50 Nexus statement credit every 4 years, which means you'll breeze through US-Canada border crossings and save yourself a bunch of time at the airport. But my favorite travel benefit of the Amex Gold are the 4 Plaza Premium Airport Lounge entries you get every year. Just keep in mind that Plaza Premium Lounges are only available at 5 Canadian airports: Vancouver, Toronto, Montreal, Edmonton, and Winnipeg, but if you fly out of those airports often, you'll really appreciate this perk. I won't dig into all the travel insurance coverage that comes with both the Gold and the Cobalt cards, because I'll get to that in a minute, but it's worth noting that you won't get any of the travel perks I just mentioned with the Cobalt card, so the Gold card really takes the cake when it comes to travel. Now, thinking about a few ways that the two cards are similar, let's just take a moment to talk about 7 Amex specific benefits that you get with both cards, starting with a wide range of insurance policies. I won't go into all the details here, but you get emergency medical insurance, flight delay insurance, baggage delay insurance, lost or stolen baggage insurance, and a bunch of other forms of protection with your Gold and Cobalt cards. You also get purchase protection, which ensures the items you buy against damage and theft for up to $1,000, and extended warranty, which extends the manufacturer's warranty on the items you buy for up to an additional year. The fourth benefit is front of the line, which gives you access to tickets for concerts, theater, and events before they go on sale to the general public. And number 5 is Amex Experiences, which gives you exclusive access to private events not available available to the general public, like dinners with celebrity chefs and exclusive concerts. Amex Offers gives you tailored discounts and promotions at the retailers you love, and it can easily save you $500 a year or more. And the Hotel Collection gets you special benefits at hotels around the world, including hotel credits you can use during your stay and room upgrades when available. So as a reminder, you get all 7 of these benefits with both of these cards, which really sets them apart from a lot of other Canadian cards and makes both of them a pretty compelling option. Now, as you might expect, to get all the perks and benefits that come with the Gold Card, you're going to have to pay a higher fee than you will for the Cobalt Card. On the Cobalt Card, you'll pay $12.99 a month, which comes out to a bit more than $150 a year. And the Gold Card costs $250 a year, but that's before accounting for the $100 annual travel credit on the Gold Card, which means the effective annual fee there is actually $150 a year. So when you actually look at them side by side like that, the annual fees are essentially the same. But the real question for both of these cards is, can you get enough value out of them to make them worth the annual fee? Well, the Cobalt Card is an interesting one because even without any of the benefits the Cobalt Card has to offer, I still believe absolutely every Canadian should have a Cobalt Card for one simple reason: earn rates. I already told you that the Cobalt Card is the highest earning card in Canada, and that's a big deal because if you can earn 10 to 15% back on all your food and drink purchases, that can save you hundreds of dollars a month. So whether you use the benefits of the card or not, if you want to save $1,000 or more a year without changing your spending habits at all you need to do is get yourself a Cobalt Card. So here's my recommendation for you. If you don't already have a Cobalt Card, get one right now. Don't put this off, don't procrastinate, just get a Cobalt Card while this offer still lasts. Because American Express changes its offers pretty frequently, at least a few times a year, so you want to take advantage of this before it disappears. And by the way, one of the other things that a lot of people love about the Cobalt Card is how accessible it is. Because even if you've never had a credit card before, there's a high chance you'll be approved for a Cobalt Card, which isn't something you can say about most other credit cards. So I've left a link to the Cobalt Card in the description below, and you can just sign up right there. And then you may also want to get a Gold Card. If you find yourself in airports at least 1 to 2 times a year, you should probably get yourself a Gold Card because all the time and money and hassle the card is going to save you will be totally worth it. But if you fly less than 1 to 2 times a year, then you should probably skip it because you won't be able to take advantage of all the travel perks. Of course, you could still get a Gold Card anyway to capitalize on its welcome bonus, but I really want to set you up for the long term here, so that's why I say it's better to get the Gold Card if you're traveling more frequently. And so now you know whether you should be getting a Cobalt Card or a Gold Card, and you're crystal clear on how to maximize those cards to get the best bang for your buck. But there's actually something else that can take your points game to the next level, something beyond just picking the right card. Because if you really want to maximize your rewards and travel for free, you need to follow the right strategy. And there's a highly specific strategy that the best points hackers use to rack up way more points than the average person. And once you start using it, you'll never look at credit cards the same way again. So to learn exactly how that strategy works and how it can unlock 5-star vacations for next to nothing, watch this video next.